Yeah, we back, bro. My bad. I don't know. My internet been acting up, bro. That's why I've been tripping. Like that's kind of why too. My streaming, I ain't been streaming because it's just been my internet. Oh, it broke the low. Could that be the end of it? Find out on tonight's episode. Nah. But what's good, V Chrome, man? Bro, I promise, bro. I've been grinding. I'm gonna try to get this stream back going every day again. And we not gonna stop. All 2024, I'm gonna try to stream damn near every single day, bro. No days off. I don't care. I'm not playing this next year, bro. We gonna go crazy. Man, I was even thinking about getting back in on this bottom wick, bro, but I see it's still tapping. It needs to tap these areas. Boom. Went to there. Went to there. That's why it's on the hourly. Yeah. Champ, did I know, bro. They be trying to get me. Nah, my internet's been acting up, bro. I don't know, man. I need to figure this out because the streaming been falling off because of my internet. Bro, I've been good, Bands. I've been good. I don't know if you knew, but I became a mod for Don Vo, Bands. Yeah, I became a mod right before he retired and stuff, so I was able to connect with Don Vo and stuff, and yeah, man, it's been cool, bro. Just been growing, just been trying to get better trader every single day. I ain't stopped, bro. Trust me, I have not stopped. I've only gotten better, bro. I got so much stuff I want to show you, Bands. Some real information that I think is valuable. Like I said, just once I get back streaming every day, it'll happen. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I've been learning. Yeah, bro, been good, bro. Been grinding. But how you been, Bands? Everything been good with you? Been trading every day still? And I know sometimes if you guys haven't followed this guy, this is our other buddy in DVS. His name is Janus. If you guys he streams London, so if you guys watch London, definitely, bro. Didn't you say it may go down? Yeah, bro, it does. It's just my internet's been kind of wicky wacky. It's been tripping a little bit. I was able to stream it. My stream was on for an hour, but took it, bro. Didn't you say it may go down? Bro, didn't you say it may go down? Bet, bro. Hell yeah. Just been chilling, man. getting in position here and there. Oh, cool, bro. Hell yeah. Like I said, bro, even if you don't take a money, like put real money on it, put like a paper trade in a sense. At least take a mental trade or do something. You know, every single day, try to take as many positions as you can, like practice positions. Obviously, you don't want to take real positions, but like I said, just the more positions you mentally take and things like that, the better you'll get, bro. So just keep at it, bro. Appreciate it. But Ethan, didn't you say it was gonna go down? I already said it was gonna go down, but that was, like I said, that was the move that I was explaining from my Discord. This is when it opened up, is what I'm trying to say. This was when it opened up. The market was closed at this time. It went down to 2017 already. It already tapped the 2017 that I was saying, and now the next area is possibly gonna be the 20, if not the 23. So the move down already happened. That's, like I said, we're in this range right here. We're in this range and most likely gonna tap this range. So like I said, what happens after we tap the range? Look, it tapped here, we came down. Tapped here, we came down. So it's like, what do you think might happen when we come back up here? We might come down. There's also a reason why I haven't taken a position, was because of that. There was nothing that was telling me, hey, get in. I mean, I'm reading price action and it's telling me this and that, but like I said, I don't have no direction yet. There's nothing giving me a direction. Once it breaks this yellow line, or once it breaks this yellow line down here, it's going to give me a direction. And if it breaks it going up, it's going to come down. That Friday drop at 2 p.m. came out of nowhere. Hell yeah, no. Yeah, it may. Yeah, no, bro, that thing was crazy. But if you guys understand, look at though, this is where it's important though too, is that if you guys understand the 42, look at what happened. This was a 42 right here. So look at the break of the third candle, which is right here, let you know the direction that it's going in. So in that case, that is letting you know this could possibly be a fake out, because like I said, a 42 down lets you know a fake out. So if you look at a higher time frame, what does this candle kind of look like might be happening? A possible fake out, right? So if it's a fake out, that means that thing could come all the way back up to here. So that's where I'm saying is that it's kind of telling me it's going to go up. But the thing is though, for it to go up, it needs to break a low. And if it breaks the low, it's gonna need to come down further before it goes up. So it's like a weird thing that's kind of happening right now, where it's like wherever it breaks first, it's gonna have to go lower. But like I said, if it breaks this high and breaks this low, it's gonna let us know the direction it's going to make a fake out. So if it breaks this high, there's gonna be a fake out somewhere that's gonna come back down. If it breaks this low, it's gonna have a fake out somewhere to come back down. To come back up. Oh yeah, I need to make sure there's no news and stuff, because I'd be forgetting about that. Where is it at? Factory right here. It's a red folder for the AUD. Doesn't really look like too much. Oh, then CPI for the CAD. I don't know if those affect us or not. What do you guys think? And got all short of fuck the. Ooh. Yeah, it was news. That is true. I forgot about that. My favorite type of news. Hey, Lassic, you watched that video, right? That Don Vo did of the news? Bro, that's exactly, bro, that made so much sense about even the 42. It's the same idea about the 42, is that whichever direction it breaks, the high or the low of the third candle, that's the direction it's gonna go. And once I understood that, I was like, damn, it makes sense. So I'm gonna be able to read those news candles a lot better now. exactly. So, bro, that's a hidden gem right there, bro. That video was a hidden gem. I'm gonna put you guys on right now. I'm gonna put you guys on. Look, if you guys look up Don Vo clips, look, y'all. Look at this. I stacked on that. Lucky, bruh. All right, look, y'all. Go to Don Vo clips and then watch this video right here, y'all. There's game 101. But champ, that was the news candle, the one that Don Vo took a buy on. He took a buy that day. But this is the video you need to watch so you could understand how he reads the news candles and stuff like that. I'm sure a lot of people seen it during stream, but the thing is it doesn't make as much sense in the moment because a lot of people didn't even. This video went over a lot of people's heads. It was only like a 20-second clip of this 33-minute video, but just this 3 minutes kind of summed it all up. It gets you ready to see how he reads it, and it's just, bro, that candle is that video is gold, bro. Y'all don't even understand. That video is cold. Don Vo is a beast for that one. Yeah, I was there too. Yeah, that was it. The news range 2 breakout. Wait for the top wick for it to drop like it's hot. Damn. See, man, you guys gotta teach me, man. You guys know all this about news, and you guys leaving me out. Nah, but all right. But yeah, look, man, this is kind of why we're ranging, though, man. I need to see some. It's gonna be opening right now in the next 7 minutes. So this hourly is gonna close in the next 7 minutes. So we need to see what's gonna happen in the next 7 minutes. Bro, last thing I was sleeping when. So I know the time I grabbed my phone and opened sales, it was 50 pips down already. Damn. Oh yeah, I remember that. It dropped like 150 pips. Crazy. So look at the 15's gonna close, the 30's gonna close, the hourly's gonna close. Everything's gonna close up until the hourly. Oh, look at another 3-piece coming up. Damn it, I just missed it. Everything is closing up. So there's 19.3. It could be 3 pips. It's only 3 pips late, but it needs to hit back up here. Let's see what happens. Never know what it could do. Let's see. I'm trying to see what I see. Let me close back in that range, respecting that range. So it's most likely gonna come up now. Where it doesn't have bottom wick or these guys right here. Ooh, all right, let's see the break of that. That would create Hey, oh, my bad. Give me 1 second. I gotta put the mic on mute for a second. Hey chat, you know what I was gonna do? I ended up taking a buy right here at this top of the break of this top wick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ride it up to about 10 pips, see what this does. I have this break of this low about 20 pips down here. See what this does. Let's see. I'm gonna have it right at 10 pips. To see what happens. I do think it's gonna continue up because this was looks like a possible bottom wick to at least fill in this wick right here. So at this point I'll probably see if I go to break even at this point. Ooh, let's see. Damn, that was fast. That just flipped real quick. Let's see what happens, y'all. So I'm just gonna shoot for a quick 10 pips, see if it hits. If not, then it doesn't. Did it break the low? It didn't break the low. So let's see if it continues up. I do see it at least filling in that wick. So that wick is at 20.05. Is that wick fill? I might have got in a little late, but like I said, I did want to see this high get broke. Once this high got broke, it let me know that it could at least fill in this top wick right here. So if it at least fills this wick in, then it'll be around, this is around 7-8 pips. So I'm just gonna bring my stop loss to break even around that 7-8 pip mark. So if that's the case, I have my TP here at around 10 pips though. So I do see this 20.7 getting tapped. So if that's the case, I'm gonna bring my stop loss to break even right now. And then if it hits TP, it hits TP. Oh, damn it. It got me out break even. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, it did get me right out at break even, bro. Damn it, that wick down. I moved my stop loss 1 second too early, bro. Oh, not even mad, though, bro. Not even mad. Damn, it really got me at that break even. Wow, that's crazy. Did you guys see how fast that moved like that though? Bruh, right when I said I moved my break even, hey bro, it was a good trade though. Good trade. Yeah, appreciate that, man. Damn it, I'm not even mad that I didn't win anything. I'm just mad that it was the fact that I literally 1 second, boom, and it didn't even hit my TP. It was 1 pip away from hitting my TP. 1 pip away. And watch it continue up though. Welcome to my life, bruh. I know. The thing is though, is I got a little bit of market opening. Yeah, that is true. That was my little, like I said, I knew that wick needed to be filled at least though. So what I should have done probably though was just close right at that wick fill. But look, like I said, I mean, if it still continues up, I'm seeing possibly, because look guys, what did I say earlier? Look, oh my god, look guys, I said earlier, right, it's if it breaks this yellow line, it's going to continue up. So the next level it needs to continue up to is at least, let's see, it's going to be the next wick fill around this 21 area. Damn, bruh. All right, yeah. All right, guys, look it. So this is going to consider a 42 fake out now. So look, the break of this candle was the 42. That's my fault. I messed up on that, guys. That was completely my fault. If I would have remembered this is what I was saying. The break of the yellow candle is what gives us the next range. And the next range is going to tell us that we're going to at least make it back up to this level over here. So this next area we're going to come up to, bro, we might make it back up to this 30 level. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, we might make it back up to this 30 level, guys. I might have just barely closed off 1 second too soon, bro, and watch this be the runner of our lifetime right here. But I'm not even mad, man. I already know what I know, and it's true. What I know is what is true, bro. Like, there's no more guessing when it comes to this, bro. Is no more guessing. Look, man, look at that. Oh my god, holler at me, bruh. I'm telling you, that was a break-even trade. But like I said, bruh, you guys see what time it is, man. This is no more guessing, guys. We have to know where we're looking at. If you don't know what you're looking for, it's because you're not reading it right. And that's where I say though, if you're reading it right, you're gonna get it right. But like I said, it's all good. A break even, it is what it is. I should have just, like I said, where I went wrong though is I messed up by forgetting this yellow line. Look at this yellow line. Once we break this yellow line, it's going to give us our next direction. Our next direction is going to at least be up to this white line. And that's at 21. So what I should have done was close my 75%, leave it at break even right now. And then this is what would have been the runner up to this point. And most likely it's going to hit like that. But that's what I'm saying. It's the managing part. Oh, Clark, you're still... oh, let's go. Hey, Clark, make sure you're securing at least something, break even, and doing that kind of stuff, you know? So, because like I said, I do see it still making its way up. And I do see it at least tapping this 21 area. And if it taps the 21, then that's where I'm saying is most likely could tap the 23 area now. So... Clark, appreciate that's what's up, brother. I'm glad you look at that. Oh my god, look at how many pips that already. That's already, this will be 20 pips. That would be the official move right there. And like I said, guys, I'm not even mad that I missed it. I'm just happy that I understand that I could do this over and over, and I could find them over and over. Bro, I've been on the stream already for 2 hours, and I've waited 2 hours for that little 10 pip trade, and I hit a break even. And I'm like, damn, bro, so close. But like I said, I sat and waited for my play to happen, and it happened, bro. Bruh, oh my gosh, man. I'm just happy that this played out, Clark. That's good job on your part. Read that like a book, though, man. I'm not even mad, man. I'm not even mad. I'm happy, man. That would have made Donvo proud for sure. But I'm not mad. It is what it is, y'all. 1 second too soon, y'all. 1 second too soon. And Clark, if you notice on the 30, there's no lows getting broken yet. So at some point, just be careful. You know, you don't want to just do what you do. You know how to do it. You know how to do it. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. You know what's up. Yeah, it took 50. Good job, Clark. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, what up, Turpy? Bro, Turpy, I don't know, you probably just got here, but bro, we just missed this trade, bro. Not even, I was in the trade. I moved my stop loss 2 seconds. 2 seconds too soon, bro. I moved my stop loss to break even, and then it wicked down one time, and then from there it went up. But it was my fault. I shouldn't have moved my TP that fast. I even told myself it's gonna hit one more time and then go up. And look at that. There it was. There was the fish. Whoo, let's go. I'm not even mad, y'all. Warpy. I'm not even mad, y'all. Not even mad. Let the rest ride. That's what's up, Clark. That's what's up, bro. That's what. Hey, at least somebody was stayed in on it. And the thing is what's crazy is I think the lag, because obviously my lag is a few seconds behind. So by the time I said, oh, I'm going break even or whatever, it probably already did it and pushed, and you were good after that, you know? So, damn it, look at this. Look at what it ends up hitting. That was a 28 pip move, possibly 28 pips, y'all. Oh, you would be sick if you were me, right? But nah, I'm not even mad, bro. I'm like, it gets me hyped, bro. I'm hyped right now because the fact that I was able to find a trade and like it still played out exactly like I was expecting, bro, that's still a dub to me because all of this work I've been doing is proving my point. Everything is, you know, it's correct, you know? So I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad, y'all. Just know this is just the beginning, and I'm happy the fact that this happened too, because it's showing me that I know what I'm talking about, bro. I'm not guessing. There's no guessing when it comes to this stuff. It's all every certain things need to happen. It just needs, look at that. Sheesh. I wonder if Wix got in on that, man. I know Wix killed it on that. Wix got in. I'm guessing Wix killed it on that. He got like 30, 40 probably. Closed, my short went long. Bro, just found his aha moment. What do you mean, Terpy? Talk to me. Claudine, closed, my short went long. Ooh, how'd that go, Claudine? Hopefully it went well. Yeah, it's all good. Bro just found. Oh, bro just found his aha moment. That's what's up. Good job, Clark. I'm proud of you, Clark. That's what's up, man. Hey, Clark. I'm just wondering, did you take this trade because of me, or did you already have your analysis and you kind of just used me as a confirmation to what you were already looking at? 45 pips. Let's go. Sheesh, Clark. Good job, Clark. Good job, bro. I'm proud of you, man. That's what's up. That's what I like, though, man. Already was in. That's what's up, Clark. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Riding up to 27. Let's go. Bro, I can't be mad, though. I appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Got enough liquidity on the 4 hour, but don't want to wait for the close now. Hey, champ, that's crazy. That move played out perfectly. Damn, bro, I can't. Y'all, look at what I had said yesterday or on Friday. What was gonna happen? This is what I was saying. What I was looking for. Right? Look at this. Let me see what time frame is this, and then what time frame is this. I think this one was on the this was on the 5 minute. So let's go to the 5 minute, and it was right at that 2025, which is right here, 2025, which is this guy, and it was at 19. So we were here, and it was down to this guy. It was exactly at this point when that was going on, and the stops were above here, these highs. So what we were expecting was this bottom area to get tapped down here, which is bottom area 16, before moving our way back up to 21 to 23. And then look at what exactly happened. We did touch the 17 area, 16.9, like we were expecting. And then look at what's happening now. We're coming right back up to these levels up here, all the way up to the 23. Look at, we broke the 20 level, which was the yellow line. So we did break that, and we broke the 23 level like we were expecting up here. Like I said, bro, that was the ultimate move right there. What we could have been expecting, and what I'm working on, trying to get it to the point to where we could actually take both trades, where we take the trade going down and then we take it right back going up. So, you know, we close, maybe, let's say this one that we closed earlier was like 25, 26 pips or something. It says 28, but I forget what I closed it, like 20, 25 pips, something like that. But it closed that. But let's say we could get in at this bottom because we know it's going to go back up, and look at that, would have been another 75 pip move. So we could have possibly even made from anywhere from 60 to 80 pips just in this range going down and back up, you know. So that's where I'm saying, though, is that where I'm working on trying to get to that point to where we could be able to do that, you know. So it's just a matter of time. Just give me some time, fellas, and I promise you, before you know it, we'll be taking both trades up and down, you know. So I'm not even mad, y'all. I'm not even mad. This was crazy. Bro, this is crazy. Look at this. Perfectly. That's crazy, yo. Crazy. It's crazy. Rejection though off mine too is 23. Yeah. I'm telling you, bruh. I'm telling you, bruh. This is getting spooky, bro. I'm telling you. Sooner or later, bro, we're gonna be cracking this off, man. I'm barely warming up, man. I'm barely warming up. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching, y'all. Appreciate you guys for watching. Man, I'm probably like, man, I'm just, that was my play right there to take this trade, you know. That's where I messed up at too, bro. Hey, Lassic or Champ, look at how I was explaining, right? That we needed to break above this yellow line. You see how, and look at the candle, how it closed. It closed exactly how Don explains it, with the top and bottom wick. So that was even more confirmation for why I should have stayed into the trade. That's where I messed up too. So that's what I'm saying, is like things like that, it's just even more confirmation, you know. And look, this is gonna break. Now it's gonna go up even further. Look, now it's gonna go up more. It's gonna at least tap this again, 23.4. It's gonna at least tap this 23.4 right now. Watch. At least it's gonna at some point tap it. There's no guessing. It has to do this because of price action. So this is what I'm saying. What? And this doesn't have no top wick. Watch. This was just a bottom wick to continue back up, because we haven't even broke this level yet. Wait on it. Let's see. Wait on it. And this broke the low. Psh, come on, this is an onion. It looks like a perfect onion about to play out. How you gonna tell me this is not an onion right there? That onion is playing out. It broke the high, so at some point it needs to break. It needs to at least touch these highs again. It needs to at least touch these highs. So look at 24. It's gonna at least touch these highs, so it needs to go another 9 more pips up. It has to, bro. It has to. Things have to be tapped. Let me make sure though. Yeah, it does. That's what I realized. It has to be tapped before that and before that. So let's see. Before that would be here, which is technically just did, but again, it needs to tap there. So it's gonna at least fill that wick. That's for sure. I could tell you that much. And I could say, let's see, the high. 23.44, 23.46. So yeah, it's gonna still have to most likely. Damn, it might tap 24 now, bruh. I might see it tap in 24. Watch me. This is price action. This is gonna tap 24. Watch. But I'm not in nothing, because like I said, my ultimate trade was the one I was in. I should have stayed in that. I should have never gotten out of it. Let's see where that goes. Oh, it's coming down. But what if this? It's a possibly double bottom, possibly on the 1 minute. That's what I see. My bad, Ian. I missed your message. Somebody deleted, or you deleted it. But yeah, I'm probably, like I said, that was my ultimate trade right there. That's what I should have been in right now. But since I'm not in it, I'm probably gonna wait off for a second and just hold off. You know, I probably won't take no trade right now just because of that. Like I said, I don't want to over trade and overdo something. And yo. Oh, damn, it just broke the low too. So what does that mean? Does that mean it needs to come down here now? It broke the low. Let me see, it broke the low here. So let's see, the 1 minute, the low of here would be just that. And that's exactly where it just tapped. So this one's gonna close right here. This one's gonna close, I think, like this. And then the next one is gonna close back going up like that, I think. I don't know for sure, but I'm just kind of seeing how this is kind of playing out. Unless this flips bullish once it breaks this low. We're gonna see right now though. It needs to break that low, which is right here. Well, Oh, it did break that low, so it could be going up now. Is that it? Is that the one? It is respecting. So could that be the three-piece to go back up? 21.5. Okay, it just broke the low here, so we're gonna see now what it ends up doing. Is it gonna continue, or is it gonna turn back around? Okay, it looks like it's turning back around. Oops, closed the wrong one. Oh yeah, right there. Damn, was that the move finally? I guess it might have been. But let me see. Well, actually now a 42 is forming on this 15 now. So what's most likely going to happen now is once we break a high or a low, it's going to create the same exact thing. But we have a high over here that needs to be tapped. So what's most likely going to happen is on this 15, you'll probably see a bottom wick or something. But then right after, break that high, and then you might be creating an onion on a 15. So these might just be bottom wicks to create like an onion, something like that, and then the next one start to move back up. But like I said, that top needs to be tapped, but these things are forming, so it could be possibly something that like I said, let me see, let's see what happens here. Let's see if this low gets broken. Could it do it in these next 7 seconds? Could this low be broken? And if this low gets broken, then that's what's going to tell me most likely it's going to continue up. If it breaks this low in the next 10 seconds, oh, it almost did. But look at the same thing with this one. It almost broke the low and turned green. So I'm wondering if it can still hit that low. No, it's going to close bearish right now. Yeah. And that's still on the 15, so I'm wondering. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe for me, and follow us on Instagram. If you guys have any questions, feel free to follow me on Instagram or anything like that. We did take a little buy earlier. We got out at break even. Some people held, but I'm kind of just like scoping the scene right now. I'm not really looking to take another trade because of my idea already played out. So now I'm gonna have to find a whole nother idea if I want to try to take another trade. So I'm kind of just looking over it. I'm not looking too crazy deep into it, but price action needs to form out now. Certain things need to start happening, then it's gonna play out. Because it's like right now what I see is it's kind of gathering itself. So at some point it's going to gather itself and then make a decision on direction. The same thing why we were waiting earlier for, whether we should wait or not. But and then look at this thing, it's starting to turn green. So but like I said, that's where I'm saying is that what needs to happen is price action needs to play out for a little bit, and then it's going to pick another direction. The same way we figured out down here, once it breaks this yellow line, it's going to pick a direction to go up. So that was my idea, and that's where, how we got that idea. So that would be the break. So it would be the break of that guy. So we would go to the 30. It would be the next previous high, which is here. So I'm wondering damn. So if this closes above this red line right here, if it closes above 21.7, it's going to create more support to continue back up. And then, like I said, exactly what did I just say a little while ago though? That this top needs to be tapped, right? So if anything, this could have been a bottom wick to get back in, to go back up to the top, where we could have even possibly added a position. That's where I'm saying though, guys, is that when I'm reading these charts, I'm not guessing. It tells me what's going to happen. That's why I say it's important to understand that you need to read the markets, need to read the candles of price action and stuff. You guys can't just I don't know, it's like with me, I kind of understand, like when I hear people talk about trading and stuff, I could tell like if you really know or if you're just saying support and resistance. Obviously, it's like they're like general statements. It's like obviously at a resistance you're gonna get a rejection, but tell me at what number the rejection is gonna happen. Tell me what's gonna happen. Is this gonna be a fake out at this number? Is it gonna be a fake out here? Is this gonna be a bounce? It's like if you know it's gonna be a resistance, then why not take a buy or why not take a sell or whatever you think it's gonna be, you know? So that's where I'm saying though is like, look, and this is gonna be another bottom wick to go back down to go back up. So watch, if it doesn't break this low, this is just a bottom wick, so it could continue up. But like I say, is that you have to be able to read the markets. You can't just guess. There's no guessing. You have to be able to read it. But like I said, I'm probably gonna stay out for a little bit. I've already took a lot of brain power to figure what I was figuring out. No, I don't want to be done yet, but like I said, that was my trade, man. That was my trade. So what I got to do is wait for a whole nother position to form. You know, it's like, I'm not going to try to force a trade right now because look at this type of range we're in. This is a small little range. There's really no room. Earlier, we were over here somewhere and we had all of this room. So it was like, there was a bigger range for us to, you know, be in. So I'm not even mad at it. You know, we did a good job today. We stayed disciplined. We followed our plan. We took our trades that we wanted, all that kind of stuff. So, you know, I'm not mad at the process. It was a good process today. Hopefully, if you guys learned a few things. I'm still going to be on. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. If you guys don't know what a 3-piece is, if you guys don't know what a 42 is, feel free to ask. That's where I come up with this idea of understanding how to read the market is from a 42. So I think the 42 is probably my best play because it happens more often than a 3-piece. A 3-piece is more of a reversal idea, I believe, and a 42 is more of a fake out. So when you're going up, down, up, down, up, down like this, when you're going, you know, down, up, down, up, down, up, these are all just like fake outs. So a fake out happens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like, you know, 12 times. In the matter of when a 3-piece happens, a 3-piece might only happen one time right here, and then all the rest of them are all 42s. So that's what I'm saying is that you'll see a 42 a lot more often. You'll see a 3-piece a little bit often, but I was thinking this was a bottom wick too, but I guess not. Look at that thing started moving. Let's see what this 15 is looking like that still. So we're gonna wait for this 15 to close. So if this 15 closes at some point right here and then we break the low of this 15 on this third candle, what that's going to tell me is it's going to be a fake out, possibly coming down somewhere here to go back up. So it's just like I said, it could be another liquidity wick or something like that. But and like I said, especially if this has a long wick and it closes way up here. Oh wait, no, never mind. It needs to break the low, so it got a long way to break the low. But yeah, it's like I said, this is why I'm staying out, because none of this is part of my play, you know. So that play did play out, but the thing is this hasn't played out yet. It still needs to come up here and get tapped. So if I still believe at some point this is just a liquidity wick, this 5-minute needs to close underneath here. It still can close, but like I said, we're gonna see where it closes at. If it closes underneath this yellow line, this thick one right here, then it's telling me something else. But I'm wondering if this could be a fake out to go back up or something. But because this is a level 1, this is a level 2 right here, so that is that. But let's see on a 15, that is barely a level 1. Wait, actually, is it level 1? It'd be 1. Yeah, 2 would be down here. So yeah, that could still just be, like I said, a bottom wick or something. We're gonna see right now how this 5-minute closes. But like I said, I'm not really looking for a trade right here because it's already, my play's already kind of done. So Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Kind of just hanging out right now, just gonna see what happens next. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Volume just kicking in higher time frame, needs more liquidity up to 25 as a decision point to come back down. Yes, sir. I do see that. Yeah, this 15 is going to close, and then we're going to see what happens next. When this 15 closes or whatnot, we're going to see next. That's the next range we're going to be in, I believe, is this range right here. So once we break these ranges, it's going to pretty much signal which way we're going to continue. But this is still on a 30-minute time frame. It hasn't broken the low yet, so this could have just been a bottom wick, so it could still continue up. So don't sleep on it. I'm looking for buys and for sells of a break of the low of the range. Yeah, let's see. Never broke the low. All right, so broke the high, so that would be it would be that guy right here, so that would be that. Yes, 17, that's only 10 or so pips. 30 was that, so just wait on it, but it could just be rangy Asia. Wait for 4. Yeah, that's what, yeah, that's kind of what I'm kind of thinking too. Yeah, this 4 is going to close right now, so we're going to see how this 4 hour closes, but this 4 hour could be creating a possible onion play too. So I'm wondering if no lows have been broken on this. So at some point, this was the play I think we needed, so we could come down here. So like I was saying, Lassic, look, like remember how I was telling you it's about the break of the low, right? It's about the like this candle needs to be lower than this red candle. It can't be the opposite, right? So since this one is lower, look, we broke the lows, right? That's the candle I was talking about. Let's go to the 15. Same thing right here. Look, it broke the low before moving up, which is why we never retested that low, because that was the actual low. So then look, now we go to the, so it's on that one, and that one, it's going up, right? Let's go to the 30. Boom, same thing, right? Boom, it's why it's going up and never touching the lows again. But then look at what happens when we go to the hourly. Nothing is broken this low yet, so this one never broke the low either. So that's why this is liquidity, so we could come back down to break this low in order for us to continue back up if we're going to go back up. So that's where I'm saying, that's how I've been able to figure out when does the move stop. it pretty much stops once you stop breaking the lows. So look at this, was the low that got broke, right? This one never got broken, so that's why it's still valid. But on the hourly, look at this, is where we never breaking any low. So if we don't have a low broken on here, then that's why this is going to come up, just so we could come back down at some point. So that's where I'm saying, though, is that when I was saying we needed to come down, and that message I was sent, the 2016, 2017 needed to be tapped in order for 2030, 23 needing to be tapped. So if that needed to be tapped, let's go to the 30-minute. I'm thinking at some point we might even tap way up here. This sounds kind of crazy, but I don't know. This, from what this formula tells me, is that when we break the low of the high, it needs to break the third candle's higher low, and when you go to the previous time frame, it'll be the next resistance. This is still the hourly, so you will go to the 30, and there's no other resistance besides possibly this guy right here, if you want to consider that a resistance, which is at 23.44, and this hit 23.46, so that tapped it exactly, and maybe that could have been the top. Or let's see this 15-minute. Yeah, I guess it could. I guess you could say this was that move, because it's a fake out above it to come back down. But this is where I'm saying too, though, is that it's usually on the half hour. I mean, it's the time frame lower. So what I'm thinking might need to happen is on this hourly now, is that we're going to possibly come back down to grab liquidity so we could come back up. So we do need to come down before we go back up. So I'm thinking that's what this move right here was, which is we already tapped that high, which is on the 15, which is right here. Pretty much this high from this red candle is where we got this fake out at. And that's where I'm saying is, look at, that's the fake out exactly above here, which is also this resistance for this green candle. So by that, so what that kind of tells me though, is since this was already tapped, that play is already done. So with that play being done now, the next play that needs to form so we can continue up is this low needs to be broken. So that's why I'm saying is I'm thinking we need to possibly come back down now, because this play is already played out. It already tapped and grabbed the liquidity that we needed, so we could possibly come back down here so we could go back up. So that's where I'm saying is at some point all of these might be, look at these breaks. Is that breaking it? Low 19,800. Yeah, that broke it already. So look, this is gonna keep continuing down now. So look, we've broken that. So now let's go to the 5-minute, and it's going to be the low of the first candle. So it's gonna be this low of this candle right here that we're gonna at least fill in now. So we're gonna at least come here to that wick, and we're gonna come back up to there. Let me delete that one. We don't need that one. Let's go to the 5-minute. Now it's gonna be the low of any candle before here. So I'm kind of thinking, I'm wondering if it could be this one or it could be this one. So I'm going to guess it's going to be this one, just for the reason that there is also a support. If you kind of look to the left right here, there's a look like a little support right here. So with that being said, I'm kind of going to think most likely there's going to be a fake out that happens so we can continue up. So let's see about this one right here. So this one is the 42. This one broke. So let's see about the 1 minute. So that one needed to come down here. Let's see on this one right here. This one needed to come here. Make that yellow. Let's go to the 5. Now that's the fake out there. So we closed above there. So this could be a bottom wick so we could continue back up. So let's see. So but now this one is playing out. So let's see. Okay, this 15-minute, we have a 42 right there. Boom. 15. We have a 42 there. Gonna happen to. That's okay. So look, there's a 42 on the 15 that broke on here. So this broke. Boom, boom. Look, that broke that. So let's go to the 5. Anything low before that. So it's most likely going to be this guy right here. So at 2018.9, there's going to be a fake out somewhere right here. There's going to be a fake out to, it's going to possibly close like this. This next one might just wick up, possibly up here to come back down like that. So that's where I'm thinking it's going to continue. Everything's going to continue down. This did just break this low right here. So let me see something real quick. the low of that. So look, let me see. It's going to be, let's see, 5. That would be the low of that. So we need to come back down here. Why did I have that one? Let me see, the 15 be the break of that. I forget why I even put that top one. That's why I need to put yeah, so that's where I'm saying is most likely we're gonna have a fake out at. So let me see, this one is here, this one is there. Broke that low, so it would be go to the 5. So it would be okay, right here was this was that one. So that was the fake out on the 5, which is that. So if we bring it down to this support, that's most likely where that's gonna be. We broke that low, so we need to break this low. So most likely we're gonna hit here. So this is where we're gonna tap next. My computer's dying. I'm waiting for 4-hour to close at the moment. Turkey DJ, or do you take the order box sell? Yeah, so I'm seeing it coming down to here at some point. Like I said, that could just be liquidity because let's see. That could have broke. So let me see. Okay, so let me see this guy. So that's the low of that. That's the low of that. So the low of here is 79. So it did break. Oh, that broke it. So that created a low is 1979, 1980. So that created a 3-piece actually. So at some point, this is actually going to start coming up. So this actually is telling me it's going to create a 3-piece. So if this is creating a 3-piece, then that means it needs to come back all the way up to here to 22 at some point. So what could be happening is we could be possibly hitting this yellow line right here. This would be the fake out. Then this would be the next move that happens, something like this. And then once we get back here, this will be another fake out, so we could possibly come back down like that. So just wait on it, see how that goes. But yeah, all right. Crazy. Let's go, bro. This is how we read markets, man. We just read them. We don't guess. We read these price actions. We read it, baby. If it breaks this low, we gonna melt. Well, the thing is Lasik, this is where I was saying though, is that it created a possible 3-piece, and on other time frames it's kind of telling me that that's where the fake out's gonna be at. So this is gonna be a possible fake out here. The next candle is gonna just start moving up like that, but I think it's gonna be just to go up so we could create a top wick with this guy, so we could just continue back down like that. Because like I said, we need to come back up here, I believe. So in order to do that, we're gonna probably have to come back down. So that's kind of what I'm seeing right now. And like I said, this doesn't have a top wick, so at some point this is going to need to create a top wick. And I'm wondering if that is the fake out possibly. Look at that, looks like a fake out. So if this happens to break, there it is, y'all. That's the fake out. So look, bottom wick. Can we get a bottom wick here? And then on the flip of that candle is most likely gonna start making its range up here to grab this top wick. So watch, let's see if this creates a bottom wick at all. Maybe just a top wick, or is it gonna create a top wick and flip to be to bearish, like create like an onion, a celery plate kind of, and then just flip straight down like that. Oh, So I guess no bottom wick needed. So like I said, I see it at least coming back up to here, and there's no top wick here either. So like I said, there's a good chance it might come back up to there. But this also don't have no bottom wick either. So like I said, what I kind of wanted to see though was a break of an actual, like a close right here. So I'm wondering if this could be the close under here and then the next one. So we're gonna see how that plays out. Usually, like I said, when I'm looking for a fake out, it has to break this low, and that low technically got broke, but it was on a smaller time frame also. And if you kind of see, it did break the low. So if it was going to be a fake out, it was probably just going to just continue up. But then maybe the 1 minute could be the fake out, because technically it didn't really break the lows. The low here is 18.8, 18.82. Yeah, it didn't break it, so that is actually why too. Yeah, I guess it was continuing. It's still gonna go. Yeah. But like I said, this doesn't have a top wick, so I'm wondering if it could just come up here to create the top wick like an onion and then go back down. I ain't even went to these other time frames, man. That was a good play though. The one that we called earlier, that was a perfect play to be on, bro. I'm still shocked at that. Yeah, but like I said, when I see the 42s form like this is the break of the third candle. You go to the previous low, which would be this guy on a smaller time frame. So what I usually see happening is that it needs to have a candle that closes underneath it, so the next one could come back up. Because it's technically not a fake out if it's still above there. It's just support now. It needs to have a pretty much like this guy up here at the top. It needs to come back into it. It's not going to stay above like that, you know. But this is why I say though, is that a 42 gives you that idea that it lets you know it's going to be a fake out. So like I said, if I know it's going to be a fake out has to close underneath it. So I'm seeing at some point even this one could maybe close. We're going to see right now in the next 1 minute or so. But yeah, like I said, I'm not even mad at nothing today, man. It was a good price action day today to be able to read like that. So not even disappointed at it. Ooh, was that it? It might have been. I'm wondering if this was enough. Technically did close underneath the line though, if you want to think about it. Wait, let's see. The line is right. Wait, let me see, the 5-minute line is right. 5-minute line is right here. That is this line right there. Let's go to the 1 minute. Oh yeah, that is it. Look, perfect. Support, and then that's the fake out. That's the fake out. Like I was saying, it has to close underneath it, and it did close right underneath it. Look, that's all you need, guys, is for it to close like that. And it broke the low. So it broke this low, and then it continued up. So that is also a confirmation of why it's going to start moving back up. And look at, what did I say where it was going to head to? It needed to head right here to these previous areas. So look, that 42 to the 5, most likely gonna, sheesh, can't even be mad, man, can't even be mad. Awesome, exactly like I wanted, but the closure too strong. Yeah, like I said, it's going to move up, but like I said, this doesn't have a top wick, so this is where I was saying it's most likely going to hit this top wick area for like an onion to possibly continue down. But a 15 fake out down says to go up, so we're most likely going to start moving up now, since we already tapped here and the 5 minute is going. But this is where I say too, look, like I say, guys, look at the low, like we broke, right? We broke this low, but now let's go to the 15. The low never got broken, so what's going to happen is a 42, it's going to create another onion plate, so we could come back down, so we could break it. So it's a crazy game of going down, going up, going down, going up. So it's just like, once you understand how to read price action, you know things have to get tapped over here. His has to get tapped. Oh man, look at that thing moving. That's what I'm talking about. Yay. All right, fellas. All right, guys. Like I said, that was my trade for the day. I'm gonna take it off for the rest of the night, probably. I don't know. I might show up for London, but I might stream New York in the morning. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Gonna definitely try to get a trade in for New York tomorrow. I'll probably be on 4:30, like 30 minutes before New York opens. So about whatever time New York opens for you, 30 minutes before that. So. Yeah, I'm gonna get off now because, like I said, that was my trade, man. That one break even. Man, I spent a lot of time trying to find that one trade, and I'm just like, now if I take another trade, I'm gonna force it. I don't want to force anything. My plan was to take that one trade and be done for the day. So had it played out, I would have been done anyways. So that's just kind of my mindset. I don't want to overtrade because I am on a funded account, so I don't want to blow it or do something stupid just because I want to prove a point. My plan was to get into there, and it almost worked out. I called YouTube. They said you cannot leave. I know, right? I know, my bad, man. But like I said, my plan was to take that one trade, and it kind of went against or break even. So it's like, it is what it is. Now I gotta wait for this next trade. So my ideas now is just like, is whatever's gonna happen is kind of, is not part of my plan right now, so that's kind of my idea right now. I don't want to overtrade, but I definitely want to be here for New York, and I will be trading for New York. So I'll probably get back on for New York, so I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, I appreciate you guys for watching, and thank you guys for tuning in. I know I haven't been streaming lately, but ever since Don Vo retired, man, I'm probably gonna pick up where he left off. So let's try to get this going, and let's see what happens, man. I appreciate you guys for joining. Hit that Discord link in the description and the Instagram. So I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys later. All right, peace. Got the buys. Good job, champ. Attaboy. That's what I'm talking about. Dub, dub, dub. There we go. That's what I was saying. All right, I was telling you guys, man. You guys, sometimes I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys later.